Xplosion, we present you dream school of all, Querencia Academy, the extraordinary boarding school. We transform education in many ways, from making it easier for teachers to create instructional materials to enabling new ways for people to learn and work together. Effective and efficient education is available here with us. Querencia Academy provides skill classes for students in every field to adapt the environment and practice working for the future. They will be trained with the basic skill for their future occupation. We are here to help generation of state hires to find their strengths, which is an actions they can do well. These include knowledge, proficiencies, skills, and talents. Students use their traits and abilities to complete work, relate with others, and achieve goals. Growing a school garden can be fun and enriching for both students and teachers. Gardens create an explosion of ideas and life in the classroom, the schools, and the local community. Our aim is to reconnect youth with their food by teaching them how to grow, cook, and enjoy real food. Through increased confidence, knowledge gain, and skill building, we want to empower students to become active participants in their food choices. By becoming informed eaters, today's children will help make a positive impact on the larger world of food and farming well into the future. So, what we eat at the canteen, all fruits and vegetables are produced from our school garden. Our gardens support and encourage healthful eating as the key component of students' physical well-being. We also integrate the garden into other classroom lessons. For example, students can make predictions and conduct experiments in the garden during science, plot out the dimensions of the garden in math, or learn about the history and politics of food access in social studies.